How to fix Fubo cannot record show. To fix the Fubo cannot record show error, first of all, make sure that you have enough Cloud DVR storage space. You simply have to open the Fubo and navigate to My Stuff or DVR tab. Look at the storage indicator. If it is full, manually select older recorded series or games and click delete to free up space. Once you do this, you simply have to now once again head back and initiate your download. Or what you can also do is verify regional and broadcast restrictions. You cannot record local network affiliates if you are traveling outside of your home zip code. You can only record national sports networks while away. If a game is subject to local blackout because another regional broadcaster has exclusive rights, Fubo's DVR functionality for that event will be automatically disabled as well. So this is how you can fix the cannot record show error. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.